Good job, son. We're having a good time. Mama's at Apo Market spending all of Papa's money. She's spending all our money, son. Zoom. 1, 2, 3. Zoom. Give Daddy a kiss. Thank you. Sweetie, what did you get?
Apo Market, Dad.
You got them at Apo Market?
Yes.
And what are those, baby? Are those baby chickens?
Yes.
But one is purple and one is pink.
I want our pink. I want our purple.
Okay, sweetie. All right. Well, we got 2 new chickens here. And what do you got in the bag? What you got in your bag here?
Phone. It's a pink phone.
You got a pink phone?
Yes, like you, Dad.
Okay, good job, sweetie. All right. Okay, bring your chickens in. Folks, look at these lovely ladies here. These lovely ladies have been at Apo Market for hours and hours. They've been to Apo Market. What is going on here, ladies? Why are the chickens red and or pink and blue, purple?
Because Maria like a pink or she like a purple.
Yeah, but baby, I don't think that the baby chickens wanted to be dyed. What they do?
Ah.
I want purple too.
And what did you buy? What?
Oh, si Vane?
You buy some new jewelry?
No. Just little. Ay, pansin man yung ay. Ayaw.
Oh, you got chicken feed too?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, good deal. Okay, okay, ladies. What did y'all get for Forrest G?
Look.
Me and Forrest G just been chilling while you ladies are gone. Okay, so Forrest G got some toys.
Daddy, thanks, Dad.
Okay, good deal. So, Famela, are you gonna show us what you bought? Let me see what you bought. You bought some clothes?
Look for it.
Or is that bagaon?
No.
Oh, got a new bra.
It's not bra. That's a
Oh, that's the clothes.
Mommy, I want
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. When are you gonna model that for us? Okay, so let me.
bubbles.
Oh, it's a turnover. It's top and bottom.
Look, Forrest, look. Oh, nice, huh?
Okay, so looks like everybody got some presents and some toys. But let me ask you ladies something. What did you buy for the foreign guy?
Look, you don't want anything.
What'd you buy for me?
Nothing. No more. Because you don't want a breath. You want to order in the...
Out of all this stuff, and y'all been gone for hours. I've been cleaning the house, watching our son, and you ladies.
Wow! Expensive na ko, ano? Oh, hindi nga yun,
Mommy, I want pink bubbles, Mommy.
Okay, let me ask you this. Where's my change?
Change ka din. You said that's my money. Hindi na. Listen mo. Wala.
Ladies.
Ay, ano pa?
Look, there's no gifts for the foreign guy, and there's no change. What's going on here?
Oh.
I want bubbles.
Wait mo na, anak. Wait.
What are we gonna name these here birds?
The name of ano?
Daddy, not birds. Daddy, baby chicken, Dad.
Baby chickens.
Natty birds.
Saan mo siya pagkuhan eh?
I got a good idea. You can keep the chickens at Auntie Famela's place.
No.
That's a good idea, huh? And you can visit them over at Auntie Famela's?
No, that's mine.
Okay, sweetie. Baby, don't cut the chickens.
No, I'm not that. Sige, I need to put the... Anak, move your feet. Move your... Anak, see, he like the purple. Korean. Which one?
Easy on them, Force G.
Which one? Which one?
Hey, y'all feed them poor chickens. They're probably hungry. Easy now. Hey, that's the biggest cage you could find for these chickens.
Hey, that's only a free.
30 pesos each. 6, let's say it was exchange rate, 50 cents a piece. That's good. That's enough.
Later, I'll give you one.
Looks like they're eating good. They're good eaters like you, honey. You don't gotta tell them to eat. Yeah, them chickens are a lot more energetic than big country and big city. Poor things got died. Now, did y'all tell them to do that, or that's the way they were?
Which one?
Did you request that they die
No,
the chickens? Oh, they were already like that, right? Yeah, because in my country, some people consider that cruelty to animals. Even though they love chicken sandwiches, they still say that's cruel.
Look, Mommy, he's created.
Let them eat. Let them take a break. Probably stressful riding the jeepney over here.
Okay. You like purple again?
The chicken getting a string.
Thank you.
Look at him go.
Ah!
Oh, easy now. Easy, buddy. So let's let the chickens eat first, okay?
Let him eat, anak.
Pink
Baliwan na. Hindi na lang ko. Madayon. Wow.
Look at this crew, folks.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, there's a gift for me? What's this?
Corn.
Corn?
Yeah.
Baby. That corn's not for me.
Open this one too, Mommy.
Corn.
Open please.
Pwede, open daw.
Yeah, but that cheap purse will last for about 20 minutes before it breaks. I bought you an expensive purse from the United States that you don't even want. Oh, yeah. What's going on there, Captain?